So most cars are about the front seat passenger's comfort, not the Range Rover. You see here we've got heated and cooled seats for the back passengers. There you go. You've also got adjustable backrest here. You've got lumbar support, and you can recline the seat. And also, if your bodyguard here in the front seat's encroaching on your space, you can override their seat control and squash them onto the dashboard. See, we've got Top Gear as well on the TV. You've got headphones which plug into here, and your controls there. You've also got your own climate controls, but the really good thing, if you pull that down and this up, you've got here a remote control that's constantly recharged in the rear center armrest, and you can control the DVD or programs. Fantastic car, this. It really is.